How to refund your games on PS5. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to refund your games on PS5. So first, open a web browser on your phone or computer. Type PS5 refund games into Google. Click on the link that says request a refund on the PlayStation Store purchase. Scroll down and select game under game subscription or pre-order options. If you have purchased a game and haven't started downloading or streaming it, you are eligible for refund within 14 days. If you have already downloaded or played the game, you won't be eligible for a refund. If you are eligible, tap Contact PlayStation Support, then go to PS Store and Refunds and click on it. Use the refund assistant and click on the assistant available in the bottom right. Enter your details in the chatbot and complete the refund request. And that's it. You have now learned how to request a refund for your PS5 game. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.